YouTube. You see? As now, this is ravioli. I'm about to eat it while it's right in the pan. Eat it hot. See what will happen to me. Here we go.